Why are my sales so slow? It's frustrating sometimes when your sales are really slow and you don't know what's going on, what's wrong. Did I get suspended? I mean, what's going on? So that's what we're going to talk about today. A couple of reasons why your sales are probably slow, and hopefully this will help you be able to speed up some of your sales. So let's get right to it. Why are your sales so slow? Well, one reason might be you're focusing too much on one or two categories. A lot of times when people start out selling on Amazon, they focus just on the book category or just on the toy category, and they start to, get comfortable, but comfortable can lead to non-growth. And so we want to get out of our comfort zones, so be able to start learning new categories. Branch out into new categories and find new ways, new items to sell. That might kick up your sales because all the categories on Amazon, they kind of have a roller coaster of when there's sales, when there's not sales, when they're fast sales, when they're slow sales. And so branching out into a new category is a good idea. Like if you want to start selling shoes, I totally recommend this link, fulltimefba.com/selling shoes. Learning a new category that will help you can be really, really good. And another reason why your sales might be slow is that you're focusing too much on seasonal items. A lot of times we get really good deals at the end of certain seasons. And so we have the certain items go on clearance and it's a really good deal. And so we look at our scanning app and we're like, oh, this is a really low price and it's selling for a lot on Amazon and the rank is really good. But we don't think a little bit deeper and think, you know what, this is a seasonal item and maybe it's on clearance for a reason because the store knows demand is going down. And so we buy up this stuff and we send it to Amazon and we wonder why our sales are so slow. Well, we might be focusing too much on seasonal items. Another reason why sales might be slow, you're not repricing enough. A lot of times when we send items to Amazon, we price it the day we send it to Amazon and we don't ever think about it again. But prices change on Amazon all the time. Sometimes the prices go up, sometimes they go down, and there might be some times where your item gets to Amazon and the price is already just a little bit lower, so you're not getting the buy box, and that price just kind of hovers around that lower price for a little bit, but you're not buy box eligible, so you're not getting any sales, and you're just ignoring your inventory. And so it's a good idea to go in every once in a while and reprice your inventory. There's repricing tools that are out there, but if you want to learn how to manually reprice, which is one of the main strategies we use, you can go to fulltimefba.com/repricing. That teaches you how we manually reprice. And if you want some strategies that we like to use while we're repricing, fulltimefba.com/repricing strategies list out our top strategies that help get our sales going, get a little kick in our sales to get the sales going. Another reason your sales might be slow, you're not feeding the beast. Now, feed the beast is a phrase that Amazon sellers use all the time, referring to sending more inventory to Amazon. And a lot of times if you stop sending inventory to Amazon, your sales are going to slow down. Not only are you not sending in fresh inventory, but you're not sending Amazon inventory that is for some reason, it's really weird, but for some reason, when you stop sending inventory to Amazon, your buy box percentage goes down and your sales go down. Amazon wants to reward those who continue to send inventory to Amazon. And so, if you're sending an inventory that's, well priced and is going to sell quickly, Amazon's going to reward you with a little bit more buy box time. And so, continue to feed the beast will help you to continue to increase your sales. Another reason your sales might be slow, you're ignoring your inventory. What do I mean by that? Sometimes your inventory, when you send it to Amazon, the picture is horrible, the keywords are horrible. Maybe you need to do a pay-per-click ad or a sponsored ad or something like that to help get some extra sales. And so if you just ignore your inventory and just put it all on Amazon to try to get it to sell, that might be another reason why your sales are so slow. So you might want to go into your inventory, find out what items you have the most quantity of, maybe run a pay-per-click ad, or maybe see if you need to improve the image or the keywords or things like that. The title might need to be improved. For some help on that, you can go to fulltimefba.com/Amazon Advantage. That's an ebook that I recommend about improving Amazon sales pages. It's really, really good. Another reason why you might be experiencing slow sales, you are buying too much slow-moving inventory. I hate to break it to you, but there might be inventory that you are buying that's just going to take a long time to sell. And if you're just using the Amazon Seller app, that might be one of the reasons why you are experiencing slow moving inventory and slow sales, because you don't have access to using Camel, or Keepa. If you've never heard of Camel, or Keepa, they are free tools that are on the internet that track the pricing history and the sales rank history of almost every single item on Amazon. If you want a free training video on how to use and understand it, you can go to fulltimefba.com/read-camel to understand how to use a camel graph. And if you want to learn Keepa, fulltimefba.com/read-Keepa, a little free training video showing you how to use Keepa. But here's the deal. Every single day, prices change on Amazon all the time. Every single day, sales rank changes 24 times a day, at least an hour. Like 24 times a day, once an hour, sales rank is changing. So you might be buying items that have a great sales rank when you are sourcing it, but don't have a sales rank that has a good average sales rank over the last 90 days. And that's what you really need to be focusing on. And we use Camel, and Keepa to be able to make a smarter sourcing decision, find faster selling inventory. So you might be sabotaging yourself without knowing it, buying slow moving inventory. And that's why your sales might be slow. And one last reason, I'm sure there's a ton more. In fact, you can leave some in the comments below, other reasons why you think that people experience slow moving inventory and why your sales are so slow. But the last reason is, I don't know, it's just a fluke. Maybe a lot of people are on vacation this week. Maybe the weather's bad in certain areas. Maybe, it's just your turn to have slow moving sales. Everything on Amazon ebbs and flows. And so while we have awesome days of sales when we're like, oh, this is awesome, it probably evens out with the number of times our sales are really slow. And it just kind of, it ebbs and flows. It evens out in the long run. So don't freak out over a day or two of slow sales. If you continue to feed the beast, keep a good watch over your inventory, buy a lot of categories, buy items that sell year-round, all those type of things, then your sales are going to increase. If you want more ideas on how to increase your slow-moving sales, increase your slow-moving inventory, go to fulltimefba.com/slow sales. I have a list of more ideas that will help you out with dealing with slow sales. So why are your sales so slow? Well, there might be a combination of a lot of different things, or it might just be a fluke and we just wait a little bit and things will get better. Well, that's it for today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. You can leave a comment below. You can leave a thumbs up on this video if you want to. Be sure you subscribe to the blog, fulltimefba.com. That's where the magic happens. That's where all of our stuff is. Free training videos, free walkthroughs, tons of free stuff to help you get closer to making a full-time income from part-time hours with Amazon FBA. Also, really excited about a course that we have coming out. fulltimefba.com/next level is the link. You can go there right now, learn about our next level Amazon course and how to take your Amazon business to the next level. Well, that's it for today. Have a great day. God bless. Bye.